We're about to do a taste test. See, we're gonna supposedly you can taste test anything in Trader Joe's.
Of course. What?
I can play the Rams there this year. We'll play the
We're in the middle of GTA. What the hell's going on? We just went to In-N-Out and came out. What the hell? Jeez. What is going on?
I feel like a bum, so.
Is that the farmer's market that the girl was talking about?
Maybe.
Rude, Frankie.
What? We have cook off.
They come in, look at the clouds, dude.
Whoa.
Look at those clouds now. What the fuck? That's crazy. Babe, look at the clouds.
Wow.
What the hell? Look, they just rolled in.
So it's like In-N-Out.
Ooh, look at that. Muncher for the muncher. Ooh.
Where you going?
Where you packing? Where you packing? Where you packing?
Where you Jamaican? Where you Jamaican?
Oh, that smells good. So this is what we need to do. We actually live in the house. We cook all day long. I know. I've forgotten how to cook. I don't know how to cook anymore.
There's so much wind all the time.
I used to bake. I used to pastas.
Come inside all day cooking. And then exercise is all you need to do. Cook and exercise.
Yes.
Got the sugar-free and
Mine? Yours.
look at it. Oh,
It's at 8:30 at nighttime. 8:30. Ooh. And this is my dinner.
You'll be jealous.
Coffee and Newman's Own. Damn, that was good, babe. Where are the waffles?
G. Hughes.
Damn.
Hold on. With that ooze.
Jay, you packing on additional calories there. You get some maple syrup. You got honey mustard.
This is 20 calories, you know
My
that?
Newman's Own. There you go. Look, organic flour, organic sugar. Non-fat. No, it's not non-fat. We are about to go run some errands, go get some oats, some, I don't know, some nuts, some seeds, go back to the Airbnb. It is our last day in the Airbnb. So I'm gonna do some laundry, go for a light hike. I feel like I'm getting sick. That's it. We have been here for a whole week. It's like, kind of feels spoiled with water, resources. Washer, dryer. Coming up on some interesting sights here. It's your typical California. We're getting ready to pack up and go. These are all the foods you can't make in the car. Takes way too much butane. This is a nice reset. We leave it pretty clean. I think it's clean. Look at that. He's gonna go repark the car because we found this cheaper charger at 28 cents at IKEA. Go walk around, look for furniture for a place we don't have. Maybe get some ice cream. Food time? Are you hungry, honey?
Sure, nice.
Oh yeah, at least IKEA has. you with your arugula. Make him shuffle. $99. 2 veggie dogs.
I'm gonna ask for a bag.
Oh, we have our lettuce already. We have our toppings. We have our toppings for our 2 hot dogs. Jim, we eat like everywhere we go.
Ooh, that's that veggie dog.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm gonna go get a bag.
Oh. Okay, thank you.
What you want?
I want sweet, strong mustard.
You want ketchup?
That looks so good. I want sweet, strong mustard. Mmm. Sweet, strong mustard. Oh yeah, that's enough. Good?
Pretty good. Sweet.
Carbs, baby. Carbs.
Ice cream and hot dog.
That's just a reflection. It was a Oh yeah, the Truman Show. The I usually cut them out. I usually just walk it and I cut it out. One time when I was in Solvang, I don't know what I wanted. Oh, maybe it's in that paper bag right here. Every last bit.
No wasted.
We haven't had water in like 5 days.
We are in and out. We are going to SoCal, and it's gonna be real fun.
Oh, by way of Paso Robles. I think I've taken you there before. I've woken up with that charger alone.
At 5 p.m.
We left the bay.
Today
It was like 70.
Today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2026, and it's still hot. What is going on with the weather? That camera action.
Camera action. It's in like a trucker. Meanwhile, you're over there relaxed. No hands. I think he said I'm so weird. Babe, am I weird? Babe, am I weird? He says I'm weird. He's weird. He has to eat every hour and a half. Because it feels so hot out here. We have the Breaking Bad trailer. Good to can't even hear it. Damn, it smells new too. We're about to do a taste test. Supposedly you can taste test anything in Trader Joe's.
My front dad.
I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's up?
Is it true you can taste test anything at Trader Joe's?
Yeah,
Oh,
for
yeah?
sure. Hey, she's wondering about the tasting. Like, do you want to take one out and taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
okay,
do it.
that's true. Okay, 'cause
Yeah.
somebody told me
Yeah.
that.
No,
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
anytime you want to do it, you do
Oh,
it.
okay,
Yeah.
so it's true.
Yeah. It's
Okay,
true,
it's
yeah.
true.
That was like the first thing they taught us when we were
Really?
training.
Oh,
Yeah.
whoa, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So it is true.
Yeah, it is true.
Rocket, Paso Robles, new Trader Joe's, right?
Yeah, they're brand
We can put it to the test.
Right.
Then he started handing it out. He's like, hey, you want what? To somebody else. He's going to give it to the employees.
You can literally try an ice cream anywhere.
Ice cream.